Welcome, dear children. Subject Mathematics Standard 5th. 5th chapter Fractions. Part 6th.
Question number 17. Add the following. Now here we have to add the fraction with different denominators. Clear, students? So see how you will going to find out. So what you have to do is, while adding a fraction, first we have to make our denominator equal. So how you will going to make your denominator equal? By doing the cross multiplication. Clear? So see how you will do. Here it is given. See, first has been done for you. Here 2 upon 21 plus 3 upon 7. Clear? Now tell me, 21 is there in your 7th table? Yes. When? That is 7 threes are. Clear? It means we will just multiply 3 upon 7 with 3. So 2 upon 21 will come as it is. 3 threes are, you will get 9. 7 threes are, you will get, that is 21. Now our denominators are equal. So just add your numerator, that is 2 plus 9 upon 21. So what you will get here, students? You will get, that is 11 upon 21. Clear? So like this you have to add. Now see the third one, that is 2 upon 5 plus 1 upon 3. Now 5 is not there in 3's table, 3 is not there in 5's table. So what you will do, how you will make your denominators equal? By doing the cross multiplication, that is 2 upon 5 multiply by 3 plus 1 upon 3 multiply by 5. Clear? So 2 threes are, that is 6. 5 threes are 15. 1 5 is 5, 5 3 is 15. Now our denominators are equal. So just add your numerator, that is 6 plus 5 upon 15. So what? Now see question number 18. Subtract the following. Now students, here you have to subtract your given fraction. Now again first has been done for you. So while adding and subtracting your fraction, students, what you have to do is, first you have to make your denominator equal. Clear? So how you will make your denominator equal? By doing the cross multiplication. So first has been done for you. We will do with this second one. So second one it is given, that is 6 upon 14 minus 2 upon 7. So first we have to make the denominator equal and then we have to subtract it. So how you will going to do that? Now see, 14 is there in your 7th table. So we will only multiply 2 upon 7. So when it is there in your 7th table, that is 2's. So 6 upon 14 will come as it is. 2 upon 7 we will multiply with 2. Clear? Because 7 2's is 14. That is why we have to multiply it with 2. So 6 upon 14 will come as it is. 2 2's is 4 and 7 2's is 14. Clear, everyone? Now our denominators are equal. So we have to subtract our numerator, that is 6 minus 4 upon 14. So what you will get over here, that is 6 minus 4. What you will get? You will get, that is 2 upon 14. You will get, that is 2 upon 14. So we can divide this 2 and 14. Clear? Both the numbers together are there in your 2's table. So 2 1's are 2, 2 7's are 14. So your answer is 1 upon 7. Clear, students? Now see the third one. Third one, it is given 2 upon 7 minus 1 upon 4. Now again here denominators are not equal. We have to first make your denominator equal. So how you will going to make your denominator equal here? Now 7 is not there in your 4's table and 4 is not there in your 7's table. So we have to do the cross multiplication. So see how you will do. 2 upon 7 we will multiply with 4. And 1 upon 4 we have to multiply with 7. Clear, students? So what you will get over here? 2 4's are, you will get, that is 8. 7 4's are, what you will get? 28. Minus 1 7's is 7. And 4 7's is 28. Clear? Now our denominators are equal. So just subtract your numerator, that is 8 minus 7 upon 28. So what you will get over here, that is 1 upon 28. Clear, student? Here what you have to do. Now a fraction of a collection and a multiple of a fraction. See question number 19. Observe the picture and collect the multiple fraction given below. So here we have to observe the fraction and you have to answer the question given below. Now see, one has been done for you. We have to start doing the second one. Now a collection of 18 points are given. Clear? Now we have to answer the next one. Portion of a colored points. Now we have to find out how much colored points are there. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 8 upon 18. The total points are 18. So we have to write down 8 upon 18. Means from 18 points, only 8 points are colored. Clear? Now the portion of uncolored points. Now uncolored points are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here we will write down 10 upon 18. The total points are 18. From this 18, the 10 are uncolored points. Clear? Now multiple of colored fraction. Now we have to find out the multiple of colored fraction. Means we have to divide this. How you will going to find out the multiple of colored fraction? You have to divide this. Now 8 and 18 together is there in which table? Together it is there in your 2's table. That is 2 4s are 8 and 2 9s are, that is 18. So here multiple of colored fraction is 4 upon 9. Clear? They have asked to find out the multiple of colored fraction. So you will going to divide this portion of colored points. Clear? Student, question number 20. What is 1/3 of each of the collection given below? Now students, here you have to find out the 1/3 of the given collection. Clear? So see how you will going to find out the 1/3 of the given collection. Now first has been done for you. See the second one. We have to find out the 1/3 of 21 balloons. So what will be the 1/3 of 21 balloons? That we have to find out. So see how you will going to find out. So here first we will take, that is 21 multiply by 1 upon 3. Clear? What we have to find out? We have to find out 1/3 of 21. Now do the cross multiplication. That is 3 1s are 3. Clear? 21 is there in your 3's table. When? That is 7s are. Clear? So 7 multiply by 1 is 7. And if you will divide it with 1, you will get the answer, that is 7. So what is the 1/3 of 21 balloons? That is 7. Clear? Similarly, 1 upon 3 of 12 students. So here we have to find out the 1/3 of 12 students. So what you will do? 12 multiply by 1 upon 3. That is 3 1s are 3. 3 4s are 12. So 4 multiply by 1 is 4. 4 divided by 1 is 4. So 1/3 of 12 student is 4. Clear, students? Now see the question number 21. What is 1/5 of each of the following? Now here we have to find out the 1/5 of the given given collection. Clear? So here first has been done for you. We have to find out the another one. So see how you will going to find out that. Here it is given, that is 1 upon 5 of 30 kilometer. So here what you have to find out? 1/5 of 30 kilometer you have to find out. Again the same way what we have done in the question number 20. Same way, that is 30 multiply by 1 upon 5. Understood? So what you will do over here? See, either multiply 30 with 1, you will get 30 upon 5. So then divide it, or cross multiplication. That is 5 1s are 5. 5 6 is 30. So if you will multiply 6 with 1, you will get 6. 6 divided by 1, you will get 6. Clear? So 1/3 of 1/5 of 30 kilometer is 6 kilometer. Clear? Similarly the third one, 1/5 of 15 liters. So 15 multiply by 1 upon 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. So your answer is 3 liters. Clear? So here you will write down 6 kilometer. Understood how you will going to do this? 22. Find the part of each of the following numbers equal to the given fraction. Now students, what you have to do is, here you have to find out the equal parts of the given fraction. So see how you will going to find out. First one has been done for you. We will do the second one, that is 7 upon 11 of 22. So here we will multiply this 22 with 7 upon 11. Clear? First multiply 22 with 7. You will get 154 upon 11. Clear? Now divide it. 11 ones are 11. Here also 11 ones are 11. Clear? 15 minus 11, what you will get? You will get 4. So you have to carry this 4 with 4. It will become 44. So 11 4s are, you will get, that is 44. So here what you will get? Here you will get 14. Understood? So what is the equal part of 7 upon 11 of 22? That is 14. Now see the third one. 3 upon 8 of 64. So 64 multiply by 3 upon 8. Now multiply the 64 with 3. What you will get? You will get 192 upon 8. Now divide it. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 19 minus 16. What you will get? That is 3. So 3 you have to carry with 2. It will become 32. So 8 4s are, you will get 32. So here your answer is 24. Clear? So like this you have to find out the equal part of the given fraction. Question number 23. Convert the following improper fraction into mixed fractions. Now here we have to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. Means what we have to do here in while making the improper fraction as your mixed fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator. Clear? In improper fraction your denominator will be the greater one than the numerator. So let's see how you will make the given fraction into mixed fraction. Now first one has been done for you. We will do the second one. Now it is given 5 upon 4. Clear? Now we have to take whatever is your denominator. In that part we have to do the part of this 5. 4. So 4 plus 1 we will take. So 4 plus 1 is 5. Our denominator is also 4. Clear everyone? So 4, what you will do here? 4 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. Clear? Now what you will do over here? 4 ones are 4 ones are. Clear? 1 divided by 1 is 1. And this 1 upon 4 will come as it is. So see, like this you have to convert your improper fraction into mixed fraction. Clear? This is known as your mixed fraction. Understood? This given one is your improper fraction and this we have converted into mixed fraction. Clear? Similarly the next one, 9 upon 7 is given. So how you will do the part of this 9? That is 7 plus 2 upon 7. So 7 upon 7 plus 2 upon 7. 7 ones are 7 ones are, 1 divided by 1 is 1. And this 2 upon 7 will come as it is. Clear everyone? So how you will going to check this whether you have done the correct one? 1 7 is 7 plus 2 you will get, that is 9. It means you have converted the proper fraction into mixed fraction. Your answer is correct. Clear?
Thank you.